So we've almost completed the first week of 2025, and in another couple of weeks, guaranteed most of y'all that have set goals are going to stop it. Y'all are going to step out of it. Y'all are going to say, call out BS, whatever it is. Y'all are not going to go for it. And the reason for that is basically lack of confidence. You do not believe that you can do it, you will shelve it, and eventually you will procrastinate and do nothing about it. And another year is going to pass by just like all the previous ones that have gone by. I have done that. Trust me, it's not a good feeling. I have done all these things, and you need to break out of it. If you want confidence in anything, the first thing you have to do is kick off procrastination. It is a fear that is based onto the future and that has not happened, and you're just building onto it and you're creating a miserable life for yourself. You need to change that story. You need to take action, and action is the only antidote for procrastination. The way to do that is you need to have the big goal that you have set. Yes, it is frightening. It's going to be frightening. How are you going to achieve it? But it's not that. What you need to do is take one small step, 1%, or even less than 1%, just one little step every day. And that compounding part of it, if you take 1% every day, that's 365%. That's 300 times growth that you have had from where you were to where you are. It's not difficult if you just take 1% of what you want to achieve. Instead of making 10 calls, make one call. Instead of write one post, but do it. The consistency of doing it is what is going to change. It'll build up on that. That habit will become, and you will automatically do what you need to be doing in order to grow your 2025. And I promise you, if you do this, you will achieve it. Take care, my friend. Until next time.